We at ARCWA Ideas and Projects Development have designed an efficient, economic, and cutting-edge project so the base can fulfill its mission to schedule, manage, control, and monitor different military operations from land, sea, and air to resolve the current problem of piracy and extortion in the area. The Maputo Bay Navy Headquarters is an initiative of the SADC to protect the area of the Indian Ocean. Currently, the SADC has a membership of 15 member states, namely Angola, Botswana, Democratic Republic of Congo, Lesotho, Madagascar, Malawi, Mauritius, Mozambique, Namibia, Seychelles, South Africa, Swaziland, United Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. The installations are strategically located on a promontory in the bay, making it easily accessible by land, sea, and air. The base will be on 100 hectares with 1.5 kilometers of coast on flat terrain with autochthonous vegetation, which will be accessed by a road on the south side. Currently, there is an existing Mozambique military base occupying 35 hectares. The project aims to guarantee the security of base personnel while complying with maximum standards of quality, security, and environmental management. Its design includes cutting-edge technology for working hours and a pleasant, environmentally friendly atmosphere for living. The base will be divided into 3 large zones, a residential area and 2 military areas. One of the military zones will be restricted according to security clearance and will include the command center and operations control. It will be completed with an extensive sports zone and a surveillance and security perimeter. There will be only one entrance through a guardhouse. The guardhouse will have a break room, mess, jail, infirmary, control offices, and a small gym. There will be 3 security levels on the complex. The first access level will give admittance to the residential area. The second access level will permit entry to the general military area, while the third level will give access to the Command and Operations Center. The Command and Operations Center buildings will have internal checkpoints. The entire exterior perimeter will have evenly spaced surveillance towers and will be accessible by a road. The residential area is planned for approximately 250 families in single-family lots and apartment blocks. The apartments will be 1, 2, 3, or 4 bedrooms depending on the officer's needs. There are 8 individual lots along the coast for the highest officials. 4 residential avenues will run through the rest of the lots. An area will be reserved near the entrance for possible expansions or other currently unforeseen uses with capacity for 400 high and intermediate ranking officers' families. Along the coast, next to the largest lots and at the end of the access avenue, will be the Officers' Club and Residences. The Officers' Residence is designed to accommodate visiting officials or those who spend short periods of time there. One floor of the Officers' Residence will have suite-type rooms to be occupied by high-level officers. The Officers' Club will have a cafeteria, restaurant, game rooms, TV room, sports area, summer terrace, pool, etc. Access will be restricted in this area and will have direct access to the pier and heliport. The military zone will be accessed through a checkpoint and will have capacity for 500 people. It will include a barracks of flexible distribution capable of meeting different needs, a mess hall, cantina, leisure and rest area, kitchen, control and command center, armory, entertainment area, shooting range, jail, infirmary, warehouses, workshops, military vehicle parking, etc. It will have a flexible distribution and could be adapted to different needs, reserving space for future expansion or the incorporation of new uses. Located in the zone nearest the coast, the operational control and military command area will be in 2 buildings controlled by 1 checkpoint. One of the buildings will house the base command. It is designed in several floors and includes offices, meeting rooms, a visitors area, a training center, a small auditorium, etc. The other building will carry out the functions of management and operations control. It will have a control tower where data is received and managed, as well as offices, meeting rooms, and an operative control room equipped with the latest means of management by satellite. A common basement will work as a data center. The buildings will form a practical plaza to accommodate important military acts and a place to locate different emblems, flags, or monuments. The zone will be completed with a small dock for small crafts, a heliport, and a zone for radars and satellite connections. The project is complemented with an extensive sports area to be used by all personnel stationed on the base. It will include an athletic field, football, rugby fields, multi-sport courts, competition outdoor pool, tennis courts, and a covered building that will house locker rooms as well as a gym with a basketball court and a heated pool. The project is designed to reuse and recycle rainwater and reduce energy consumption. Our idea is to build underground, prefabricated plastic pools, which are a cost-efficient and efficient way to retain water during times of intense rainfall and then drain it little by little and filter part of it into the land. The proposed system should reduce flow by 60% and reduce the ground surface to be used while affording significant savings on construction. As for drinking water, we will build a small deposit which will feed off the existing drinking water supply, making it possible to provide adequate water for peak types of maximum consumption. We will build a wastewater plant in the eastern section to reuse part of the sewage water for irrigation. There will be low-consumption LED lamps for public lighting. Adopting this lighting method will significantly reduce energy needs. We foresee placing an electrical substation near the sports zone. The power plant will be accompanied by electrical generators spread out over the base to ensure supply during blackouts, mainly in the base's sensitive operative points like the operations center. We will also study the possibility of supplementing other power generation systems like cogeneration boilers or solar panels that reduce external power dependency. The military complex will be articulated by a main axis of a green boulevard that will run east to west and by two traffic circles, one in the middle of the boulevard and one at the end, which will lead to secondary roads that give access to the rest of the military complex. The remaining land that is not occupied by roads or buildings will receive a soft treatment with minimum alteration, keeping autochthonous trees whenever possible and planting new vegetation that will guarantee the terrain's cohesion and maintain the natural drainage and overflows for rainwater. It is important to encompass the totality of the project within a sustainable development plan that promotes the rational use of natural resources in harmony with the requirements of the economy, the job, social cohesion, health and safety, as well as protecting the environment and contributing to the prevention and reduction of contamination. Achieving the maximum possible reduction of water consumption, materials, and energy are basic design criteria, since it is the basis of real sustainability. We estimate approximately 15 months to complete the project, considering the fact that using prefabricated materials will reduce construction time. In accordance with the client's requirements and conditions, the schedule may experience overlapping, which could reduce the timeline. The estimated budget, including construction, technical and design fees, and estimated furniture costs, is $176,420,370. The Navy headquarters Maputo Bay will be the largest self-sustainable military base in the Indian Ocean, equipped with the most avant-garde technology in security systems and construction, enabling security forces to protect the area in a comfortable and efficient manner.